everybody, today we are at Harry Potter Warner Brothers studio in London. I'm here with my lovely boyfriend Isaac, who loves to go on these adventures with me. And we're really excited for this tour. You guys know I'm a Harry Potter nerd. I love Harry Potter. I can't wait to see it and bring you guys along with me. Let's get into it. It's a real dragon.
The actual fireworks themselves for the film were added and visual effects for post-production. Now, as you make your way into the big hall, we have a look up for me. You see on the left and the right hand side, we have Fred and George Weasley hanging from the ceiling on their broomsticks in the original costumes as worn in the scene by James and Oliver Phillips.
Hermione's dress. So cool. It is all the real costumes, the real sets from the films. And I'm standing amidst all of it. Oh my gosh. Look at this cauldron. That's cool. Ooh, this is a cool one too. This is really cool, you guys. They said it could take like 3 hours to explore. I'm not mad about it. I found one of the things I'm most excited about.
But with a quick flick of the wrist, he was able to make himself completely disappear. Now they were using these techniques to remove even parts.
We are
is pretty cool. So we've just finished in the Enchanted Forest, and I think we might be coming up on the train. Let's see here. Oh, there it is. Oh, we did. That's exactly what we came up on. Oh, wow. They really have a variety of things here, and so much of it is real props and sets from the movie, which is really impressive that they were able to salvage as much as they have been able to. Let's take a look here at this train. I would have loved to have been a filmmaker droning around this model. Let's go take a look at it from over this angle. Alright, now Isaac and I are going to try Butterbeer. I've had Butterbeer before at Universal, but it's been a while, so I don't really remember. So let's take a sip here. That is pretty good. I like the combo. I think you'll like that.
It's like a root beer float, but like more mild.
Sweet. Yeah, I like the creamy part on the top better than the actual drink. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. It's number 4 Pivot Drive. Oh. It's a cool little setup.
You having a good time?
Yes, this is so cool.
Hey, you got the pea soup. Make sure you eat it before you eat it.
This is like that thing they always walk between classes and whatnot. And they're like, one time Hermione and Harry are standing over it just talking about the Dumbledore's army. They had 2 different cars. Which is the real one? Mandrakes. Do you remember these mandrakes? They scream. They scream as you pull them out. but it's Dobby. Yeah. Move around. It's pretty good.
You see the wear suits with those X's on them? Can you see this?
There's that eating book. It's pretty cool. Oh my gosh, there's like that dead Voldemort. That little like weird looking. These merfolk are not Ariel, that's for sure. This is amazing. Wow. We have arrived in Diagon Alley, Diagon Alley, and this is one of my favorite places so far. Makes me want to go back to Universal. I love this. So this room is a tribute to the cast and crew. Everyone has their name written on one of these ones. Very cool. Very much like Disney World, we've ended in a gift shop. They have these bags that I've always wanted from Daniel Nicole. Amazing.